If your swimming pool pump makes a humming noise and doesn't seem to be running properly, and this isn't a new pump installation, this is for an existing pump that has just started humming, the problem could be that the brushes that electrically start the motor have begun to wear or could perhaps have rust on them. And there's a lot of different ways that you can test and rectify this problem out in the field. For example, opening the pump and spinning the impeller by hand. That's a good way to free up the windings and make sure that the brushes are able to start the motor. But if you are a pool owner and you're having this problem, a quick check or a quick process that you can do to try to get the pump up and running is to turn on the pump. It will begin a humming sound, and then use a soft rubber mallet to sharply rap or hit the motor of the pump. Now, you don't want to go crazy with this, doing it 100 times. You just want to do it a couple of times, and often that will be just enough to jog the electric motor, and you'll hear it start up after that. On the flip side, if you were to hit the motor a couple of times and it's not starting, then you probably want to go ahead and turn off the power. During that humming noise, there is a lot of electrical current being generated and drawn by the motor, and this can cause the electrical breaker to overheat and trip. So basically, just try turning on the pump quickly and hitting it with a rubber mallet a couple of times to see if that helps to jog your pump and get it started. This is especially useful if you're starting your pump for the first time after having it shut off for a long winter season.